here's part 3 in the basics of fabrication. There you see my cardboard template is roughly cut out. I bent it. Let's see if I can hand form it to kind of give you an idea what the heck is going on here. But it should look something similar to that. Not quite exact, but because I'm holding it with one hand, obviously. And I roll it out and I trace it here on the metal. And you can see the shiny lines right here. You definitely want to have a center line of whatever it is you're working on. Put one in there, even if you don't need it, because there's a good chance somewhere in this area one of these screws is exact center, and you want to know where the center point is. So this is my front. This is where my lights are going to be. First bend, second bend. There might be a slight bend here, which is represented here. And then this is the chassis area where the suspension arms come out, and then here's where the chassis starts widening. And then I lengthen the extra, it might get cut down. And then battery tray, I know I'll be able to put a screw here and a screw here, somewhere just in front of the servo, just in front of the battery tray, and might use some double-sided tape or something in this area. I'm not quite sure yet, haven't got that far, but so then what I do is as you can see here, is I mark the line because I messed up. You can kind of see two lines there. So I mark with a Sharpie which line I'm going to be cutting on. So it's the line closest to the Sharpie. And then I just referenced so I can easily identify which lines I'm going to bend my material. Now, it doesn't have to be metal. You can use plastic if you want, whatever the case may be. I'm just using metal in this particular case.